to my channel, Beauty by Bordeaux. This channel focuses on all things beauty related, makeup, nails, skincare, hair, the occasional hauls. So today I have 2 hauls and I'm going to split it up into 2 videos. So the first one is a super small Temu haul. So I am going to show you what I got from my Temu haul. Today was the first time I ever went shopping for, well, I shouldn't say today, well, this is the first time I ever went shopping at Temu. I'm not really big into consumerism. I do have a lot of stuff, but once I have enough stuff, I try not to buy more because I'm trying to save for a house and everything, but whatever, and I got bills to pay. So I just bought a few things that I needed from Temu, so let's get into it. The first thing that I got were these little scrunchies. I believe they came in a pack of 50. I actually have one in my hair right now. There's a video on that too on how I did my hair, if you're interested in that. So yeah, they're super stretchy. I needed more scrunchies because I run out of scrunchies all the time, like they just disappear. Next thing that I got were 10 pairs of these black socks, black low-cut socks. I go through socks pretty often and I always misplace my socks, and I needed more socks, so more socks. Next, I got this little cute pink hair bonnet. It has a little elastic on it. I have not used it. I will use it. So yeah, so this is this. Yeah, it's pink. That's why I got it, because it's pink. Haven't put it on my head or anything because I had to wash it. This I got is a tongue cleaner. It doesn't look like, I think usually tongue cleaners be having like the little spirals, but this is how this one looks. I got one for me because I needed a tongue cleaner. And then these things are cleaning things. These are what you would use to clean your blinds. And I have blinds in my house. And they also have one, I don't know exactly what this is for. I think this one is for like the quarter rounds to clean those. So I have that. And then the next thing I bought from Temu is these little small cute puff thingies. And in my makeup video, I actually did use it, so if you want to see that, you're definitely more than welcome to watch it. And it will be, like I said, it was already linked it below, above somewhere else in the video, but I'm also going to link the video below. But yeah, these are these. They're nice. I like it because you can like precisely do it, and it was good when I precisely did it, so yeah. I might try it again. The only thing is like I'm used to like this triangle puff, so it wasn't enough coverage. So then the next thing I bought were these, and these are really, now I thought these were gonna be regular size scrunchies, but I'm gonna show you what they look like because I have some. That's what these, look at these are so small. Like my hair is not gonna fit in these. Like I don't even know what I'm gonna use these for. So I might use it for like if I'm doing a look or something, or I might see if like my sister-in-law needs it or something, because she has little nieces. That I really ordered from Temu because I really need these. These are concealer brushes. So I thought I got 6, but I only got 4. And I'm gonna buy more, but these are concealer brushes. I really needed these. Because I use these every single day. Anytime I do my makeup, if I'm wearing a full face of makeup, I use these every day. These are what these look like. And it's perfect because you could just go right in. Oh, I love these. So I bought 4 of these, and I originally got these off of Shein, and I was gonna do a Shein order, but Shein was trying to charge me shipping, and Temu said they wasn't gonna charge me shipping, especially since I had not shopped there before. So I was like, oh, I'm ordering from Temu. I'm not paying for shipping. So yeah. So I have purchased this one before, and I really like these. So when I went into my Shein orders, I was able to find it, and it's the same. Oh, I love these so much. I really love these. And they're cheap. I think I got these for like $1. Like, and then if you were to get like any of the, like from a luxury brand, you're gonna be paying $25. And I paid $1 for these. Okay, next up, I got these pink toenail things. These are really cute. I could have made these, but I don't have toenails covers, and I don't really care for them. And it's been kind of hot the past couple of days where I live at in Albany, so I'm like, I might as well do my feet and, you know, stretch it out while I can in September. Now, the last thing I bought from Temu, I think this paycheck I am going to get the blonde wig that I wanted, but I bought this wig. I'm gonna take it out. I have not yet put it on. I might put it on for the wig. Let's see how it looks, but this is what the wig is looking like. It is super soft and it came curled up. It did come in a hairnet. When I took it out of the bag, my husband is like, why are you looking at it like that? Why does it look like that? And I was like, oh, it's in a hairnet. And I was trying to figure out, you know, where the end of the hairnet was. But yeah, this is what the wig looks like. Just turn it around. Got this for $10. I think this is a 13 by 17. Yeah, I think this is a 13 by 17. It's obviously machine stitched. You can see it inside there, the way that it looks. And it has no clips, but it does have this little back part, and it does have straps. Yeah, it has a strap, an elastic band, so that you can hook it on in the back. Alright, I'm gonna put it on real quick and see what it looks like. Let me see if I can find the back. Here we go. Oh, this is cute. I look ridiculous, but this is cute. I like this, yeah, this is cute. I probably will have to wash it, definitely. I like to wash things, but yeah, this is cute. And it's super soft. Like, this is definitely me. This is giving like scissor vibes right now. Ooh, and it's so soft. I might buy another one of these, honestly. I should go to work like this. Oh my gosh, yes. They're gonna be looking at me like, oh, Leanna, and I'll be like, yeah, she like my wig. But nah, this is cute. This is real cute. I like this a lot. Yeah, and you got the little curly bang. I'm actually gonna wear this for the rest of the videos. Alrighty. So that's the end of my Temu haul. This is the wig right here. I don't have my mirror in front of me, so I'm trying to look past the mirror to get that hair out of my face. Alrighty, so yeah, like I said, it was going to be a really short Temu haul. I didn't buy that much, but this wig was definitely worth the $11. It was $10.79. Plus, you know, Temu always got those coupons, so it was definitely worth it. But yeah, this is the final. Well, I'm saying this is the final look. I didn't do anything, but yeah, this is the Temu haul, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.